Good afternoon, folks. I'd like to show you our newest 10 by 10 Aspen model we put up today for a customer in Bowmanville. We have 8 different models we offer. This being the Aspen model. To open up and you can have a look inside. Here it comes. Like I said earlier, 10 by 10. It comes with a double door. It doesn't have a window. It's for those customers that are looking for basic storage building where they can put their lawnmower, their garden furniture, their garden utensils, and bicycles, that type of thing. So you should walk around here. You can see we put some skirting on the bottom. It does a couple of things. One, it finishes off the look of the building, and it also helps keep the bunny rabbits out. We support all our buildings with 4x4 pressure treated beams underneath the floor, and the floor is fastened to those beams. And there's a couple of real critical things. One, it takes the load of the building, and secondly, it allows air to flow underneath the floor, so your floor won't rot out a year or two from now, which is obviously very, very important. We try and match the shingles to what the people have in their home. In this case, there was a cedar color shingle that our customer selected here. And we put a ramp on here because some people will have ATVs, motorcycles, lawn tractors. In this case, our customer wanted to bring in their barbecue at the end of the season, so it worked out well for them. If you want to come inside here, you can see it's all 2x4 construction. The trusses all are engineered trusses with collar ties and gussets to make it nice and strong, and will last for years to come. Floor is all 5/8 plywood, so therefore you can take all the extra weight from motorcycles, lawn tractors, that type of thing. And if you want to see more models of our products, we have about 8 or 9 different models on display at our shop in Orno. It's 3454 Taunton Road, 1 kilometer west of the 115 on Taunton Road, on the north side. Yep.